Alright guys,
Oh, yeah?
so now I'm going to open up my 3 Ben 10 volumes.
What's the starter there?
All in one video.
Yeah.
So this video is going to be called Ben 10 Ultimate Alien DVD Unboxings.
Like that one, Bethany? Yeah.
So starting off with Volume 2, Power Struggle.
Because I called you, remember I called you when I was out looking for your bras, make sure I was in the right size.
How come you look at bras for your daughter but you can't get bras for yourself?
I don't know. Because I called her before I picked them up, devoured to make sure what size she wore.
Alright, so here's the front, spine, and the back.
Bethany? I'm 46
Friend
years old.
or foe. And this picks up from where Volume 1 left off.
I was going to.
Has an ad for other Ben 10 toys.
Excuse me, but I'm 46 years old.
Sorry if you can't hear me, my parents are just talking. Yeah, but here's Disc 1 with Ultimate Cannibal, and Disc 2 with Nanomech. Next up, we're opening Volume 3, The Return of Pete West.
You have plenty of yoga pants now.
Front, spine, and the back.
Yep.
And then here's Disc 1 and Disc 2.
Pepper's trying to eat the plastic, Cody. Because you don't gotta give me nothing, I'll play with the plastic.
And next up, we had Volume 4, Wild Truth, which came out 2 weeks ago. Spine, back.
Like those? Yeah. Hold them up, away from your face.
Ah,
I'm gonna hold up.
couldn't get a good crease in them.
Come on, humor me.
Alright, so here is Volume 4, spine in the back again. And here's Disc 1, which has Fast Track, and Disc 2 has Nanomech on it. And then
Oh, that was nice. More
ads, Ben 10 Galactic Racing, and other stuff. So, yeah, that was the opening of my Ben 10,
I gotta get Cody some clothes after Christmas because he got no clothes at all.
Ben 10 Ultimate Alien volumes. Stay tuned for the next video, in which I'll be opening my
DVDs and
Wii games. One of my Wii games, actually.
They're underwear.